Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an S24 Ultra with a broken display and it looks bad, but it still works. Let's go fix it. So we have an S24 Ultra with a cracked display and it still turns on and it works as normal. No issues with the touchscreen. When you swipe down, you can still access all the features. You can even properly shut this phone down, and it's a miracle that it still works. But we are going to replace the broken display with the housing, and the first thing we are going to do is to remove the back cover. We have our Galaxy expert in the house, David, to do the repairs. And yep, I think this is not the first time that this smartphone will be opened. You can see there, it's not really an issue in removing the back cover. Typically, when you open a Galaxy S24 Ultra, the adhesive will fight you. This one does not. So we'll remove all the first layer that we can see, the wireless charging module, lots of connectors to the daughter board. We are going to remove that as well. So everything you can see here will be detached and transferred to a different housing and display. There you go. You pull this out, put that to the side, detach the connectors, lift up the board. That's the brain of the entire smartphone right there, that single board, which is quite amazing. This is also the powerhouse of the phone. Quite the dense battery. When you think about it, this phone lasts a day with this size of a battery. Like, Samsung really did a great job cramming a lot of battery in this form factor. I'm going to remove the front camera. It is wedged on there with this adhesive. You have to be careful. There you go. So this is our replacement display and housing. So we'll put the star of the show, the main board, then the front camera. It's just the reverse of what we did a while ago. And when it comes to Samsung Galaxy repairs, David typically makes a quick work of it, except for foldable smartphones. When he encounters Galaxy S23 or S24, it's just gonna be a cakewalk for him. Literally, he will make it look easy, just like this one. It's no time at all. You just swap out the housing and the display, and you think that could be difficult. For him, it's not really that an issue. So if you have an issue with your S24 Ultra, S23, an iPhone that you want to have fixed, you need a new battery, new display, we have that here in the shop. Don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. You can also visit us. We're a small repair center here in Sydney. You can support our local business. If you're not from Sydney, you can send in your broken S24 Ultra to us. We have lots of overseas customers who are sending their broken smartphones, and we ship it back to them from the US, Europe, and of course many parts of Asia. And just like this one, it's gonna be a brand new phone up front. At the back, we'll reuse the old back cover, but up front, man, it looks like you bought a brand new smartphone. Look at that. But there's a benefit that you still keep all your photos, your data. You don't have to set it up. if you have a broken display, just replace the display. You don't have to buy another brand new smartphone. That's just a fraction of the cost. You regain the use of your smartphone, you keep your data, you save money, you save the environment. Lots of pluses. No cons, to be honest. You throw away the old display, but that's only a part of the smartphone. If you're gonna throw the entire smartphone, that's gonna be a bigger e-waste. Here you go. We even reuse the back cover. This is really how it should be done. There you go. If you have any questions, if you have suggestions, if you want to reach out to us, if you want to ask us something, leave it down below. Like and subscribe to our channel, guys. We have a Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We have our website as well, Sydney CBD Repair. There you go. I'm gonna make sure it's airtight. There you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Thank you for joining, and we'll just perform some tests. That's David there. We're gonna test the cameras, buttons, touchscreen, the antennas, and that's gonna be it for us. This is gonna be the before and after. And we'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.